Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about best side hustle ideas for 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. A side hustle can increase your monthly income significantly with a time commitment of just a few hours a week. It can also support you with extra money when unexpected work circumstances arise. 1 in 3 Americans have a side hustle, according to a poll of 2001 Americans commissioned by Zapier, a marketing automation company. If you're curious about entrepreneurship but want to take a financially sound approach, side hustles offer the best of both worlds and can put extra cash in your pocket. Is it possible to earn more money with a side hustle? Not only is it possible to make extra money with a side hustle, but doing so can be a way to stay ahead of inflation and add an additional 10%, 20%, or 30% to your monthly income outside of your full-time job. Here are popular income streams to consider. Explore these best side hustle ideas 2023. Use skills you already have a hobby or learn how to sell things online to start a side business. Even though this is a flexible way to make money, you must be willing to put in the time and work extra hours until your idea takes off. Choose one of the following ideas based on whether you want to turn your side gig into a full-time job or just want to make some extra money without putting in too much time. 1. Getting paid for your expertise as a consultant. Consider becoming a consultant if your job or a hobby has given you specialized knowledge in a certain industry or subject. Consultants are usually hired to give advice or direction about how a business's systems or processes work. Companies often hire them on a contract basis to get an objective view that is hard to get from inside the company. Consulting is one of the best side hustle ideas in 2023. It is also a growing industry, as more and more people choose to work as freelance consultants. You may find it easy to start this side job if you are sure of your skills, know how to market yourself and your skills, and know exactly who you want to work for. Get clients by making content and showing how knowledgeable you are. Go to events and join online networks related to your field. Help everyone who wants your advice and talk to them. When they need more help, they will first think of you. Ask customers for feedback and reviews that you can share on your website and social media. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Your current customers may know someone else who could use the services you offer. 2. Provide online coaching services or courses. You can coach people one-on-one or make your online courses to teach a group. This is similar to consulting. If you choose this as one of the best side hustle ideas in 2023, you should be good at how you spend your time tutoring or coaching. Before you advertise your course or coaching services, make sure you have learning materials and documentation of your policies. Find out how many students you can take at once and how long it will take to finish the lesson. Make it clear why you are qualified to teach the subject you've chosen and what makes you different from other teachers or coaches. This will help people trust your services. Find out if you can get a certification from a professional group in your area to make people more likely to trust you. Showcase your credentials on every page of your website. Make a website and profile on social media to let people know about your services and help them find you. Add video tutorials and downloadable PDFs to your courses so that your students can work on them without you being there. In addition to making materials for your students, you can also make content that shows how knowledgeable you are, like regular blog posts. 3. Sell your clothes. You should think about upcycling clothes that you no longer want to wear, but are not too worn. Use your knowledge of how to use a sewing machine and a few fabrics to make your clothes. Find hidden treasures in thrift stores and fix them up. Then, use websites like Depop, Etsy, and Vinted to sell your fashion line. Upcycling is one of the best side hustle ideas in 2023 and helps the environment at the same time. Your clothes won't end up in a landfill. Instead, they will be loved and given a new life. Find a few pieces in the back of your closet that you've only worn once or twice for special occasions. Someone else might be looking for the perfect dress to wear to an upcoming wedding, anniversary, or birthday party. Make sure that the photos you take for the selling site are of good quality. The best way to do this is to try on the clothes yourself. Add interesting descriptions to your products and wait for the questions to start coming in. 4. Offer your administrative skills as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are often hired to help with a certain set of tasks. These tasks can include anything from writing and editing to social media and office work. What you work on will depend on your skills and what the company you work for needs. Think about your most important skills to decide what kinds of services you want to offer as a virtual assistant. Once you know what you're good at, look for sites like Belay, Fiverr, and Upwork. Make a profile that explains what services you offer and send it in your portfolio. Find out how much other virtual assistants in your field charge to figure out how much you should charge. Start promoting yourself on social media and find a group of experienced virtual assistants online so you can ask for help when you get stuck. Post more often on LinkedIn and write short posts that show off your skills. 5. Manage social media accounts for businesses. If you love social media and are good at it, you might want to help businesses with their social media profiles. It can be hard to find the time to make regular, unique posts that get people to interact. Most small businesses don't have enough money to hire someone full-time to run their social media accounts. This could be a good time to use your specialized knowledge. There is no need to use high-tech tools. Your laptop and cell phone should be enough to start small projects or campaigns. As with any other Best Side Hustle Ideas 2023, you need to manage your time well and set aside time to work on writing, images, and scheduling articles. This is one of the easiest ways to try out freelancing because it gives you real-world experience and lets you build a portfolio without putting your money at risk. You can decide how much you like having this kind of job and being your boss. If you find that managing social media is your true calling, you can quit your side job and work full-time as a social media manager. 6. Earn money with your photography. If you like taking pictures and have a knack for getting the right shot when you're on vacation, you might want to learn more about photography. If you are good at taking pictures of your neighborhood and town, you might be able to sell them to magazines in your area. Learn how to edit photos, make a portfolio, and try out your skills at weddings and family events. As soon as you feel good enough about your photography skills to look for clients, do so. Find a niche for your photos, like weddings, pets, or products. After you've been doing photography for a few years, you should try giving seminars to aspiring photographers in your field. Hold a session on the weekend to share your knowledge and make some extra money. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.